Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie Fonseca, and today we have our second Halloween look of the season. So if you want to see what I have in store and how to do it yourself, then just keep watching. I know you are asking, what is today's look? I mean, you probably know from the thumbnail already, but today we are doing a new and improved rendition of the Purge mask that I did, I believe, 2 years ago on my IGTV. Now, it's 2 years later. I have more experience under my belt when it comes to Halloween looks. We will be using Makeup a Murderer's UV Neon Pigments with their Makeup a Murderer Chemical X. Now, you heard what I heard, right? UV neon pigments. Listen, you know me, I like to make it creative. But before we get into this is actually neon pink and orange, but I guess it's too bright, so like it doesn't show up. So hopefully once I turn off the lights, they actually show up the way that they're supposed to. So with all that introduction, let's just get into the video. This is gonna be really easy, not gonna lie. So get yourself some paintbrushes. Honestly, you can get the ones from the dollar store, even if you would like. But today, you're probably asking, okay, so like, what do I do with my base? Do your regular base. So I didn't do primer, I just went straight into foundation, concealer, and then I bronzed the places that I wanted to contour. So now, we're going to get a makeup palette. Yes, this already has something from a previous video. If you didn't, go ahead and click right down here. It's probably gonna be a link down below, but while you're here, why don't you already go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you're notified of when my future videos are. Because this third Halloween look is going to be amazing. But we're on to the second one. So you're gonna put the neon pigments on a sort of palette. Yes, this one's dirty, but we're gonna use the clean parts. And I'm going to set them on the side. Now, the two colors are a neon salmon pink and orange. It looks like just two different oranges, but trust me, once we put the lights down and everything, you're gonna see the vision. I'm gonna go ahead and put these down here, put some of the Chemical X, and I'll be right back so that we can get into this look. Okay, so once you have them all mixed, then you are going to take two different brushes and we are going to begin the look. Now, you're probably gonna ask me, why is there two different colors? Well, we're going to make it try and seem like it's one of those L-wire masks. So we're gonna give it the wired look. What you're gonna do is you are going to start right down here and kind of do a helmet head right here. And then we're gonna go across, do a bunch of X's as if, you know, it is what it is. Then we're gonna go across the nose and across the eyes with two X's. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up but so you guys can watch as I go along. And then I will be back for the second wire, which is gonna be the orange one, not this neon pink one. Okay, so let's begin. So we went ahead and did it in the neon pink. Now we're gonna go in with the orange, but with a slightly thinner brush so that we can really give it that look of the L-wire mask. So there we have it. As you can tell, it's literally a bunch of lines. You just have to be very careful because I messed it up in a couple of places. But honestly, this is why we're having Halloween looks. It's not supposed to look like movie style amazing. Just have fun with it. I'm going to emphasize that so much. This you can basically do within 30 minutes with a full face underneath it, so you do not have to worry about it. I was going to put some lashes on, but to be quite honest, I'm still gonna put lashes on. So I'm gonna be right back, and then we're gonna see what this looks like with some UV lights on, right? With that montage, with everything and the final look, I hope this video was easy enough for you guys to follow. Have a happy and very safe Halloween. Don't forget to tune into the next video, and don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.